I try to find one cartel song to represent the place where I'm there, but I can't find none. If you know any cartel song we have water for the night, post it in the comments underneath the video here. Yeah? Me don't know none, I'm blank. I can't find none. But anyways, we're here, we're on the delivery trail. As you know, we are your friendly neighborhood shipping company, and we allow you to ship your items through us from overseas and get them delivered to you here in Jamaica. We bring them come to your yard. And right now with the Waterford, we do a delivery in our Waterford. Well, we're doing 2 deliveries in the Waterford. So right now we're here, we're in a Waterford, we're in a Portmore, big up the whole of Portmore. One day I'm going to come name out all of the schemes in a Portmore, but for now, we're in a Waterford, we're big up Waterford. Alright, and we're there on the delivery trail, guys. There's a link here. Remember, click on the link, join us today, get your packages shipped from the US to Jamaica and get them delivered to your doorstep. Hey, we're going to give you first world treatment, right? We allow you to get your packages at your yard. I don't see the sense you buy something, get it shipped to Jamaica, and then you have to walk go somewhere or a drive go somewhere go pick it up. Make it come in your yard. Not true. Why that can't happen for we? And at the second time I see the bicycle girl here ride past. What should I deal with? I take her bicycle, you know. But anyways, guys, we're there here, we're in a Waterford, as I say. Big up on yourself, Portmore. We're there upon the delivery trail. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye.